Today we're going to compare two ways to search for a number in a big list: linear search and binary search. First up, linear search. Imagine you have a huge list and you want to find a number. Linear search checks each item one by one, starting from the beginning. So if the number is near the end, it has to look through almost the entire list. That means it can take a long time, especially when the list is really big, like a million items. Now, let's talk about binary search. This one only works if the list is sorted, but it's way faster. Instead of checking every item, it looks right in the middle and asks, is the number I'm looking for bigger or smaller than this? Then it cuts the search area in half and repeats that step. Because it keeps dividing the list, it finds the number super quickly, even in massive lists. So basically, while linear search takes its time checking everything, binary search smartly zooms in on the target and saves a ton of time. When you run both, you'll see binary search finishes in just a fraction of the time. In short, if you're working with big sorted data, always go for binary search. The speed difference is huge.